Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back into my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys a step-by-step on how I twist on my son's hair. This is a highly requested video, y'all. A lot of y'all have been asking me how I twist. Can I show specifically how I twist it? The products I use. A lot of y'all been saying that it's hard, the comb gets stuck whenever you twist. In this video, y'all, I'll just be showing y'all the step-by-step and how not to get the comb stuck, okay? As you guys can see, I'm just showing y'all the texture he has. I just washed it. Conditioning is sitting in his head right now. So I just decided to come on camera and show you guys the texture of it. As you guys can see, his hair is very, very soft, y'all. The conditioner, whenever I put the conditioner in it and wash it, his hair curls up. So I just want to show y'all the texture, all right? So I'm going to go ahead on and wash this conditioner out, and I'll be back once I blow dry it. All right, y'all, so I'm done blow drying his hair. His hair is dried. I'm going to be twisting his hair with this Gorilla Snot. Now, this is a lot of questions as well. What else can I use? You can use beeswax. You can use the other stuff that's like beeswax. I just use Gorilla Snot because I find that Gorilla Snot holds his hair better. All right, and I'm also using in this Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter. That's the leave-in conditioner. You can use any kind of leave-in conditioner you want. I'm just massaging that into his hair just so it can have some type of moisture to it, okay? I'm using this twist comb, y'all. Do not judge my twist comb. I know y'all see that little broken tooth in it, but that's because I didn't feel like going to the store, y'all, and hey, I just used what I had, okay? And his hair, y'all, I do want y'all to know that I can use any kind of comb. It doesn't matter. And that's because his hair is really, really soft, and it's not hard to twist it with any type of comb. Like it's very, very easy. Now, if you have thicker hair, you might want to use one type of comb. It would be up to you to see which comb fits better for your texture of hair. But with his hair, y'all gonna see me use all types of combs. Like, it doesn't even matter. So once I massage all the conditioner in his hair, I'm gonna start the process of twisting. All right, y'all. So I find it's better to put the Gorilla Snot on the back of my hand so I can work with it better because it gets really, really messy. So you just want to dip your comb, and y'all want to make sure you don't twist right away. You have to comb through with that Gorilla Snot. Comb it, make sure you have all the hair. And this is where you guys want to twist. Don't just twist, just to twist, because it will get stuck. You want to twist in a downward motion. You see that? Like a downward position. Make sure you twist, and when you twist, you're going downward. Okay? When you twist, you're going downward. And that's all it is to it, y'all. Now, his hair is not too long in the front. That's because, remember, I said he cut it and he put gum in it. So his hair is actually thinner right there in the front. So I'll show you guys how I do the back as well when I get there. See, y'all grab it all. Make sure all the hair is grabbed. And you're twisting downward in a downward position. We're going down. Now, y'all see what just happened? That's because the comb that I'm using, y'all, if y'all see the tooth is missing, that's why it's doing that, okay? So if it does do that and it goes up, just twist it with your hand. Same position, downward. It does the same thing, okay? So that's all I'm showing y'all. All right, y'all. So I'm just showing y'all a different type of comb. All right, so I'm just showing y'all a different type of comb because that comb was getting on my last nerves. Okay, because it wasn't twisting all the way. All right, so I'm showing y'all same thing, y'all, just using a different comb, and we're just going downward position, downward position. So the combs matter, y'all. Combs matter. Okay, you don't want to use no Dollar Tree comb. You don't want to use no raggedy comb, no tooth missing comb. Use a proper comb. Okay. All right, y'all. So right here, I'm just showing y'all the time. It's 3:12. He's showing me on his tablet. So it's 3:12, y'all. That's basically not the time I started. That's the time I started this part right here at 3:12. Okay, so I probably started the front at 3:06. You know, it probably took like maybe 5-6 minutes or whatever. All right, and it's still thin, y'all. It's still thin right here, so we're just repeating the process. We're combing it through with the gorilla snot and downward position and twisting it, okay? As y'all can see, his hair curls right back up, but once it dries and the rest of his hair get full, it's not going to look like curls, y'all. It's going to look like dreads, twist, or whatever you want to call it, okay? It's going to look like dreads. Be careful not to, when you twist, be careful not to twist the other twists. And if y'all can't help it, don't put that much of gorilla snot, y'all. Because when it dries, it'll dry that color yellow. Okay, not all the time, and it won't be like, oh, it's bright yellow or whatever. It'll just be like this residue, this yellow residue. All right, so I don't know if y'all can tell, but his hair get thicker right here. So I am doing the same thing, y'all. But I don't know if y'all saw how I put my hand upward when I began to twist. I began to twist from the roots. Y'all see right here? That's because his hair get thicker. Okay, it thickens up at the back. And I'm gonna show you guys a close up on how I do the thicker pieces. So right here, y'all. All right, as y'all can see, I already combed his hair with the gorilla snot already. All right, and y'all see I'm taking his hair and I'm pulling it away from his scalp. This is for the thicker pieces. And now I'm twisting it, but I'm twisting like in an upward downward position. I'm not twisting it just in one position. I'm twisting it like in an upward downward position. And as you guys can see, it gets harder to twist. I mean, not hard, but you could tell it changed, okay? Because it get thicker. All right. So if the comb gets stuck, y'all, just comb it out and continue to go downward. Continue to twist downward. And I'm holding it right here, y'all. See how his scalp, see how the root tightened up? That's what you want it to do. All right, and I'll explain it better when you guys see me do another one. And I'm just taking his twist just to make sure it's locked. I'm just going over them and twisting them. All right, you don't have to do this. I just prefer to do this. Just going over the ones that look like curls, and I'm just twisting it same position just to make sure just to ensure it locks. Okay? All right, y'all. So I'm just showing y'all the comb that you don't want to use. If you have a comb like that, a twist comb like that, y'all, please don't use it. This one I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just showing y'all, please don't use this comb. All right, y'all. So this is another comb. This is just a basic rectangle comb, you guys. And this comb right here is basically my favorite to use on his hair. It's more easier to twist it. And that's just my preference, you guys. I just think it's more easier to twist with this rectangle comb. All right, so as you guys can see, it thickens up more in this area. So one thing that I didn't show you guys, and I need to properly show y'all. All right, y'all. So this is what I didn't mention to y'all. Once you comb the gorilla snot, you want to start twisting. Okay. Now we're still twisting in a downward position, but we're not pulling downward. We're twisting in a downward position, but we're not pulling downward until the roots tighten up. Okay. See how I'm pointing? The roots, as you guys can see, it looked like it tightened up, right? See that? Now when the roots is tightened up, now you want to twist in a downward position where we're still twisting downward, but we're pulling downward now. Once it get tightened up at the roots, then you want to pull downward. You want to twist and pull downward. Now you can hold it just to make sure it doesn't hurt his scalp or whatever. But he said it. He told me he was fine, so I didn't even hold by the roots. Okay. All right. So let's do it again. We're going to comb through, y'all. And if you see that it get dry, y'all, don't hesitate to put a little bit of water, y'all. Okay. You can put a little bit of water if you want, just to just to get it moisture a little bit, or you can use your leave-in conditioner. Okay. Just showing y'all that rat tail comb I'm using. We're getting our gorilla snot. We're putting it on the hair. We're combing it through, y'all. And now we're going to twist. But remember, when we twist, we're not pulling downward. We're going in a downward position, but we're not yanking downward, if that makes sense, okay? We're twisting in a downward position, but we're not yanking downward. We're not pulling downward. Not until the roots tighten up. And all it needs is practice, y'all. All right, y'all, let's look at that one more time. Okay, taking our gorilla snot. All right, y'all. This is just a close look. Combing it through. We're taking our comb and we're starting to twist, okay? See how I'm going upward, y'all? I'm twisting from the roots. And then I'm going downward. I'm not pulling downward. I'm just going downward until the root. See that? I just untwist so you guys can see. All right. So see how loose it is at the root? When I'm twisting, see how it tightened up? Once it tightened up, now I'm going to pull downward. Twist and pull downward. Once it tightened up, you don't want to just twist and go downward, y'all, because it's just going to be loose. You want to twist. You want to wait till it tighten up at the root, okay? And there you go. You have a perfect twist, y'all. All right, so I don't want to make this video too long, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead on and skip to the end, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm just showing y'all I'm finished up at 4:30, so it basically took me an hour and some change to finish. So I'm just showing y'all how it looks after I twist it. So I'm going to go ahead on and cut his hair, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is the end results. Just got his hair cut, and I also edged him, y'all. I'm going to take some vitamin E oil, and I'm going to put it throughout his scalp, y'all. And I'm also going to rub some in my hand, the palm of my hand, and I'm going to pass it over his dreads. And this is just optional, y'all. This is just what I do. I make sure the hair is greased well, and I wanted to put some type of shine to it as well. So yeah, y'all, that is the end results of these twists. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Until next time, don't forget to love one another. God bless and peace. See you guys in the next video.